What's up, Knoxville? This is Chris with Smith Roofing. I'm here with Norman, one of our lead roofing installers. We wanted to address a question that we get asked a lot, and that is, are our roofing crews a bunch of Mexicans or Hispanics? And I wanted to point out why that question shouldn't matter to most of you folks who are having your roofs installed by us here at Smith Roofing. And we're going to ask Norman here a couple of questions to highlight some of the differences between, the roofing crews that are out here. So Norman, thank you for agreeing to be on our video. How long have you been here in the United States?
16 years.
16 years. And are you a legal U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Yes, you are. Okay. Awesome. How long have you been roofing for?
About 11 years.
11 years. So you're very knowledgeable as far as proper roofing installation procedures. And do you do any kind of ongoing training or anything to help you with getting more knowledge as it relates to roofing? Yeah. So let me ask you a couple other questions, Norman. Have you ever, do you have any kind of criminal background? No? Do you or any of your guys have a criminal background? No? Do you have a drug problem? Do you use drugs? Do any of your guys use drugs? Do any of them have an alcohol problem? Have any of them ever been in prison? Do any of them have neck tattoos? No? Great. So you live here locally in Knoxville.
Yes.
And do you have children? How many kids do you have?
4.
4 kids. Holy moly. So Norman's a very busy man. Not only is he doing roofing, but he's also taking care of 4 kids at home. And all of your kids go to school here locally. So the point of my video is that when folks ask us if our roofing crews are Hispanic, I don't really think it's a question that they understand. Because you have Hispanic labor does not mean you're getting cheap labor or you're getting a different quality of labor. You're getting roofing professionals who've been in this industry for a long time, who are very competent at what they're doing, and you're not going to get the typical prison convict, neck tattoos with a drinking and drug problem. So we pride ourselves on having the best quality of installation. That's why we are Owens Corning preferred contractor. Owens Corning actually has to inspect our roofs to make sure that they're being installed correctly, so that we can offer a 10-year labor warranty on our roofing installation. So I appreciate all of your hard work, Norman. I appreciate all of your guys' hard work. Y'all do a heck of a job, and we're very proud to have you a part of our team here at Smith Roofing. Thank you, Knoxville. As always, give us a call for all of your roofing needs.
Hey y'all, one more thing that I forgot to ask Norman while we were doing his video was where he was from. So Norman is actually from Honduras. He's not from Mexico. He's a valuable part of our team. I made this video in an attempt to highlight one of the questions we frequently get asked by our customers, and I want to assure them that the ethnicity of their roofing professional is not pertinent to the job that's being completed. We use the best quality installers that Knoxville has to offer when we are installing your roofing system. These are guys that care about the quality of job. They care about their communities. They don't have a criminal background. They don't have drug and alcohol problems, and they are going to give you the best installation that your money can buy. So our goal as a team and our focus is to provide you with the best quality at the best price. So we would encourage you to give us a call, area code 865-507-0033, to discuss your next roofing project. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.